Today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to find live gaming streams on YouTube. And trust me, it is way simpler than you think. Alright, first thing you guys want to do is go over to YouTube, look on the left side of your screen, look for the gaming tab, click on gaming. From the gaming tab you can see the top live games, click on view all. From view all you can see all the different live streams that are going on currently right now. Let's see, you can watch some Minecraft, some PUBG, Call of Duty, Fortnite, games that won't load because issues, StarCraft, scroll enough down far enough, Doom, Lost Ark, Diablo, more PUBG, interesting, World of Warcraft, you know, everything just like a Twitch or a Kick or categories and whatnot. You can find your YouTube categories also. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, toss me a like, hit that sub button, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream. Big Modo, ooh.